today we will review the project that you see on your screen. And so let's start the review by looking at a range of internal and external factors. They seek to determine whether this asset or business is overvalued or undervalued. This information can be used to strategically open and close positions. Technical analysis also provides valuable trading data, but the implications are different. Technical analysts are convinced that it is possible to predict the future behavior of asset prices based on past performance. For this, candlestick patterns are identified and key indicators are studied. Traditional fundamental analysts usually look at the metrics of a business to figure out its real value. Indicators such as earnings per share and price-to-book value are used. You can, for example, do this with several businesses in the same niche in order to compare their investment prospects. So when evaluating projects for investment, you must very carefully weigh the pros and cons. The theoretical concept of cryptocurrencies has existed long before their debut in the virtual space. Early adopters of this idea were excited about how the use of computer technology could solve the practical and political constraints that exist in the segment of traditional fiat currencies. For many, it is no secret that complex analytics of cryptocurrency project is a complex and multi-vector task in which many different nuances and factors must be taken into account. It is necessary to carry out market analysis constantly in order to understand the current situation and trends. Typically, investors use conventional fundamental analysis, which is the approach that investors use to establish the true value of an asset or business. This is very important for any investor to understand. We know cryptocurrency networks cannot be judged in the same way as traditional businesses. More decentralized options like Bitcoin are closer to commodities. But even in the case of more centralized cryptocurrencies, such as those issued by organizations, traditional fundamental indicators have little to tell us. It is important to note that there is no single metric that will give us a complete picture of the network we are evaluating. We can look at the number of active addresses on the blockchain and see that it is growing rapidly. But that in itself says little. It can be one person transferring money to himself using new addresses each time. These recommendations should be applied to all projects in which you are going to invest, including this project. We will end on this. You will find an additional information about the project in the description under the video. See you!